All right, we're poolside here on this brand new pool, and we're right in the middle of a startup. So we're gonna go into some of the maintenance and service on the pool side on what you have to do on a weekly basis. I wanna brag first about our Venturi skimmers. We include Venturi skimmers on all of our in-floor cleaning system pools. They are a really cool feature that I started using probably 12 to 15 years ago. And what's so unique about it is most skimmers you're thinking use suction. So we're pulling water through the pump and pulling water through the skimmer, gathering debris. Our skimmers are Venturi skimmers. They use return water. There's a patented Venturi system that shoots water back in the pool. The pool then compensates by pulling water in through the skimmer through this basket. So the basket needs to be serviced really as often as it fills up. This is a new pool. We got really no debris in here. And then it goes back in just like the debris canister locks in, and you can start the pump back up. The nice thing about these Venturi skimmers is, like I said, they use no suction. They use return water. So that allows us to have 100% suction at the main drain of our swimming pools. Why do we want 100% suction down there? Because all of our dirt and debris from our cleaning system gets pushed down towards our main drain. So we want 100% of suction there to be able to take all that dirty water and debris into our main drains. So that's one of the coolest things about one of our swimming pools is we use these ancillary products that make our systems work better. Again, servicing this on a weekly basis should be fine. We got these nice little paver lids on this one. We're gonna lift this one up. We get access to this AutoFill. The nice thing about our AutoFill units, of course, they keep the pool full. We'll show you the shut-off valves for the AutoFill. If you ever have any issues, you should have a way to shut this off. But there's also a way in here to lower and raise the water level of the pool. And there's instructions right here where it says lower and raise. So if I want to lower the water level, I can just turn this a full turn. And I believe a full turn is 1/4 inch. If I want to raise the water level, and I'm looking at this as a new pool, we probably want the water level about halfway up the tile. So I'm gonna start raising this, and you're gonna hear this start to kick on. Okay, now I've just effectively raised the water level probably a 1/2 inch or so, which is what we want in this pool. So you can come out and make these own adjustments, but honestly, after these are dialed in, after the first couple of days to weeks, you almost never have to touch the AutoFill. It just does its job. So that's a little bit about our AutoFills on our swimming pools.